Hey y'all, I'm Amanda from Mindy's Boutique, and I'm going to be showing y'all how I did this gorgeous eye look using the Rebel Raven Hazel Eyes mini palette. So this palette complements the colors in your hazel eyes, or if you don't have hazel eyes, you can just like the colors and use it whenever you want. But I do have hazel eyes, so these colors are perfect for complementing my eyes and getting my eyes to stand out. So I'm going to show y'all how I did this eye look today. I'm starting with a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna dip into this Crush color and fully coat my brush, tap off any excess, and start by placing that right on my lid. Very lightly, and just placing it all over the lid. Going back in and tapping off the excess, I will bring it up to my brow bone and just fully coat this area. From here, I'm going to take the fluffy brush and dip into this slip color and coat my brush, tap off the excess, and start by just tapping that into my outer corner, picking up some more on my brush, lightly tapping off the excess and just patting again. Now that I know exactly where I'm going to place it, and do little circles and bring it all the way to the inner crease, and then go like windshield wiper motions to blend that out. And I do the same thing with the outer corner, just fully blending this color all the way out. I will go back into that slip color, tap off the excess, and I'm gonna go ahead and drag this all underneath my eye. From here, I'm gonna take a flattened brush, and I'm gonna go all into this melt color here, and I'm gonna tap off if there's any excess and place this all over my lid. And just continue placing it, bring it down to that inner corner, and continue to just pull it all through the lid, picking up a little bit more of that melt color, and just placing it on the lid again. From here, I'm going to take that fluffy brush back and just blend all of that into my eye. And from here, I'm going to start adding glitter. From here, I'm going to take my pinky and go into this spark glitter and start tapping on my eye, and I'm going to start to lightly pull it out to get a full coating of this glitter on my eyelid. Going back in, start with tapping and then lightly pulling it to fully get the coverage of the glitter. And then from here, I will go back with that fluffy brush and just kind of blend out just a tad on that outer part of it. And then I'm just gonna go back in with my finger and pull a little bit more up into my crease. And there we go. And then from here, I'm gonna add my lashes, and I will get right back to y'all. This is how I did my eyes using the Rebel Raven Hazel Eye Palette. I truly love how it makes my eyes look, and it complements the hazel eyes so well. But again, you do not have to have hazel eyes to use this palette. If you love the colors in it, go ahead, snag it up and use it all you want to. But this is so beautiful, and again, it complements hazel eyes perfectly. Have a great day.